Oya dúró tì kẹjọ máa sọ. Ẹjọ máa sọ ya. Má dà méjì. Wọ́n gbàdá ní oya dúró pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin méjì oya ẹjọ sọ. Ẹ mú ayé dání oya. Àwọn méjì oya.
It's okay, it's okay.
Má bí wọ́n.
It's okay.
You don't want them to interview you.
You don't want to talk.
You don't want to do interview.
You don't want to talk.
You want to go?
You want to talk? Eh? Oh yeah, talk. You want to talk? Yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah. You push your answer. She will talk.
Okay, her name.
Her name is Rura. Shebi, her name is Rura.
So, how is she to the late person?
She's his daughter.
The last one, right?
Yeah, she's the last one.
Okay, so what can she tell us? If she can tell us what she has learned about her dad.
Yeah, tell us what that is to tell.
My dad is good and he's a kind person.
What is all?
Okay, so what is that thing that you miss about your dad now?
What will you miss? We have talk.
I miss him because he's kind.
What is all?
Okay, oh yeah, say your last words to your dad.
Say your last word. Tell him to rest in peace. Yeah, talk.
I pray he should rest in peace and God should forgive all his sins that he has committed.
Alright, thank you.
Sorry.
Is it the both of them? Is it the both of them? They have done?
My name is Ajikanle.
So, how related are you to the late person you are?
Our daughter.
So, what can you tell us about him in short?
He's a good and calm person.
Huh?
I said he's a good and calm person.
So, what is that lesson that you've learned from him that you will never forget?
I've learned a lot and I will not forget a lot.
Like,
I've learned how to behave, how to talk, and how to bow for people.
okay, so your last thought to him.
He should rest in peace. God should forgive all his sin, and he should rest in peace.
Thanks for watching GboahTv. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. As we regularly release new content, we reward our top commenters every month. Thank you.